In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zendesk with your website. We'll start inside your Zendesk account. At the very top of the screen, open the drop-down menu. This is the quick way to move between areas in Zendesk. From there, head into the Admin Center. This is where all of your configuration lives, including the tools you need to add messaging to your site. Once the Admin Center opens, look for the section labeled Channels. That's the hub for anything that connects Zendesk to your customers. Select Messaging within Channels. Messaging is the modern Zendesk experience that lets visitors chat with you in real time and start tickets right from your site. Inside Messaging, go to the installation area. You'll see a small code snippet that Zendesk generates for your account. This snippet identifies your workspace and loads the chat experience on your pages. Click the copy icon to grab the entire code block. Don't change anything in this snippet. Leave it exactly as it is so it can load correctly. Now switch over to your website builder. I'll use Wix as an example, but the approach is similar on other platforms. Open your site editor and find the option to add new content to a page. Choose Add Elements, then look for the section for embedded content or code. Select Embed Codes and pick the option to embed HTML. This creates a placeholder on your page where custom code can run. In the HTML field that appears, paste the code you copied from Zendesk. The embed box might show a preview, or it might remain blank until you apply changes. Both are normal. Click Update to save the embed. If your platform labels this as Apply, Save, or Done, use that option instead. The goal is to confirm the change so the code is active on the page. A few quick tips to finish strong. Place the embed wherever you want the chat to appear. If you want it across your entire site, add it to a global header, footer, or site-wide layout instead of just a single page. Avoid adding the snippet more than once on the same page, as duplicates can cause conflicts. After updating, open your site in a new browser tab and refresh. If you don't see the chat right away, try an incognito window. Clear your cache, or temporarily disable ad blockers since those can hide widgets. That's it. You've copied your Zendesk messaging code from the Admin Center, embedded it on your website, and saved the changes. Your visitors can now reach you through the chat widget, and conversations will flow directly into your Zendesk workspace.